Hello, my friend. Our third topic on our three aspects of nature. eh, We have last time we talked about animal nature, human nature, and divine nature. So, since we have that seeking attitude, this part of our divine nature, we are seekers. That's why religion was established. What are those? To answer our case to our existential issues. What are those? Are questions of our existence. Who am I? Where I came from? What is my purpose? My life? Where I'm going? After, of course, after I die. So is there any life after death? So these are the questions. And as far as we know, only religion can answer those questions, not science. Because those questions came up because we have, I can say, we have that divine nature within us. I will not elaborate much about this religion, but I will have a small overview. There are religions inside a religion, means major religions, as many minor religions. Like in India, you have this Hinduism, and it branches out into Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism. In the other part, especially in started in Israel, we can say we have Abrahamic religions. What are those? Judaism, that is the faith of Jews. Christianism, where I am belong, and Islam. So within Christianism, there are many sects: Catholic, Protestant, Pentecostal, Baptist, born again, and so many denominations and different groups. And in Islam, they have also two groups: the Sunni Islam and the Shia Islam. Other religion, or we can say belief system, like atheism, Confucianism, Taoism, agnostic. I will emphasize on atheism and agnostic because this one will be a big factor in our next discussion regarding um, economic study. Okay. How about atheism? Atheism means there is no God. That is a belief that there's no life after death. How about agnostic? So agnostic is a person who believes that nothing is known or can be known of the existence or nature of God or anything beyond material phenomena. A person who claims neither faith nor disbelief in God. Means, if not proven yet in scientifically, means then still not accepted as science. So it is just based on faith and belief system only. So agnostic, usually most of the scientists belongs to this agnostic category. If cannot be proven by science, they are agnostic. They will not they will not believe and not even deny because they don't know. That is the meaning of agnostic. But how about atheist? That is also a belief system. There's no God. So it is also believe. It is also from belief or from faith that this declare themselves there is no God. How about Taoism and Confucianism? They're atheist or atheism under atheism or agnostic. I can say because they are not uh, Taoism and Taoism or Confucianism, they are not discussing about the existence of God. So I can say they can people can be categorized as atheists on that sense because that is only about morality, values, human values, but they are not discussing about um, life after death. So we can say they are also an atheist, or we can say they are also agnostic because they are not teaching in this way. So again, why we have this religion? Because we want to answer the basic question: Who am I? Where I came from? What is my purpose? And where I'm going? By the way, why there's too much atheistic mentality, especially in the Western world? As you can see, on that time, there's a lot of abuses by the church, dogmatism, even killing their own citizen because of the belief they make. They declare those who are against the clerics, they burn them at the stake. Usually for women, they declare they're witch, so they are burning them. So that is the power of religion at that time. So that's why people, why like this? So they came into their mind, I think there's no God. So no God. They declare themselves no God. That's why there are more atheists. So atheist is the person that they declare himself and believe in himself that there's no God. For me, atheist, this is just a reaction to those abusive religious authorities in their era. But since the religion at that era uh, always against science, so the atheist, he said, if you don't believe in science, you're always in your dogma, so I don't believe God. So that is in that time where a lot of atheists crops in. That's why uh, that's why many countries adopted communism because of this disbelief. You cannot believe what the church is doing to the people. So they declared an atheist and apply communism in those era. But in the next videos, we will also discuss about the economy that will tackle um, capitalism, communism, and socialism. So for now, I'm just discussing here our divine nature that we are seeking. Through seeking, we want answers that science cannot give us the correct explanation or hesitant to give those answers because it will tackle the belief, the faith, and it is beyond the realm of science. That's why religion comes into those because of this our divine nature. We are seeker. Thank you, my friend. See you in the next video.